AgMenu Suite is a feature-rich library that will enable you to add menu and even toolbar functionality to your Silverlight applications. In this video, we'll go over its basic features and properties. We'll learn how to add menu items and how to respond to their click events. So let's get started. First, we'll create a simple Silverlight application and we'll choose a test page to be generated for us instead of a website. We'll then add AgMenu assembly reference to our project and declare a namespace alias to it inside our page.xaml we'll call DXM. We'll drop an AgMenu control onto our page and align it to top. We'll place a top-level item called File, which will contain new, open, and exit menu items. And that's it. Let's run this application and see the results. We have File, New, Open, and Exit menu items. To respond to the menu item's click, we'll use its click event. We'll tab through it so that the event stub is automatically generated for us in the code behind File and display a simple message box. We'll need to reference the devexpress.agmenu namespace. That's where all the top-level menu classes live. Let's run it and see it in action. Notice how I typecast the header property to a string. But headers are not limited to strings only. They can contain any valid UI element. For example, let's put a button as a header content and delete the previously assigned header. As you can see, instead of a plain text that says New, our menu item contains a button control. Let's add another top-level item. We'll call it Edit, and place bold, italic, and underlined sub-items inside of it. We'll set Is Checkable to True on all, and the default checkmark will appear and could be toggled on or off by clicking on the menu item. To group the related menu items together, just set the Is Radio Item property to True. This will allow only one item to be marked as checked. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.